So how did David went from despair to hope? No, David didn't try to hide his sadness or pretend everything was okay. He cried out to God with real and painful questions. Now, this teaches us that it's okay to feel disappointed and to bring those feelings to God. Okay na yun. Okay na yun na mustorya kag tinuod kay, look, wala man gyapon kay matago at tubangan sa Ginoo. Bring those feelings to God. Because you know what? Disappointment itself is not a sin. But it becomes a problem kung tugutan nimo nga mao ni maka-push away from God instead of running to Him. Matod pa ni Johnny Erickson Tada, God welcomes your honest questions. Just don't let them become accusation. Oh, there's a difference. Okay mangutana. Ang dili maayo, mag-akusar. Okay. Usay pangutana, Lord, nganong nag-suffer man ko ani? Usay accusation. Lord, wa man siguro kay gahom kay wa man nimo gipugnan kini nga panghitabo. That's an accusation. There's a difference. God welcomes your honest question. Basta lang dili siya mahulog ng accusation. He's big enough to handle your heartbreak and kind enough to heal it.